right rolling, you come.
I even talk to that boyfriend.
You know, come forward now. Alright, rolling, you're your person. One now, come
Read the cereal juice.
Action.
Cereal juice.
Come on. No, you don't know saying have you rush yet. So come here, come out.
I see when you go walk.
Yo, man, take your time, man. Come out. So you come out. You see me the brush. Don't say nothing until you grab the brush from him. You understand? So because we don't want it to seem like you actually know before. You understand?
Yeah.
Ready? Action.
Come back. Don't fear brush, man. Don't fear brush, you say no.
Search for my one day.
Alright, come, we'll do it again. More talk loud. I think I'll you smile off your face, man.
That louder boy!
Yeah, man, grab your brush, man. Look at more aggression.
I'm not gonna bust
And
you.
don't smile. Ready now?
No,
Come on. Feel my brush, you say no, brother.
Search for my one day.
Go look in your house, man, and tap touch my brush. I want to man.
Alright, they said the brush them always do you.
No, man, don't touch for me one, man. For this one, I want a special one, brother. Touch this one, man. Touch this one, man.
Search oh my one day.
When you grab the brush, back out the hand.
Yes, and that man
And then you start cuss.
Yeah, can't see that exactly what they're doing in real life, you know.
I'm gonna say, look,
Yeah.
this one you have to.
Oh no, you didn't know you go say.
No man. Remember say your brush orange.
Ah, the Irish brush, you know. Okay, so no man, no say two brush, you know. So go back to the no man, you know no color.
Alright,
That's a favorite Irish
so
brush.
Give up and walk. Give back the brush. Watch your shit. Right, it's alright. Alright, ready now, grab it, ready.
Come on. I feel my brush, you say no.
So my one I go. Oh my one day.
Go look in your house, man. No, brush, man. Don't fear brush, then. Don't fear brush, you say no.
No, you can't see that.
Where are you guys here? I want to take two. On the photo.
Hold on, more actually make you grab your hand.
Oh.
When you grab your hand now, when you grab your hand, you must say, remember say your brush and the orange one. Then you start cuss loud. So all time can hear you.
Hey, where brush?
Yo, by the time they do this, I see them reach out the road already.
No one must have edited
You
it.
know.
Ready again.
Right, one brush you have, ready now.
Yeah, so brush, you say no.
So oh my one I go.
Man, no, man, come look at you.
One, two. Give me. I feel me one this.
So I feel one day.
Go to my house.
Come on, brother, come on. Chill out all one, brother. My friend, man.
Be your brush at the orange one.
Brother, look, come on, want my brush, man.
No, here. Want it more loud. Because remember say Alton outside now.
Alright,
So once
Watch it. Where you get the one now? You get one for this. Yo, my brush, man. Say two now. Yo, my brush. Yo, brush. Make it loud, no man.
Big head boy!
What me a war? Yo, brother, what me a war? Look, brother, yo. What me a war? Then wait a minute, after so long with you, man. Daddy, come on. How are you?
Come on, let's do it. Quick.
No laughing, this no man.
And what you want? Very loud, man.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Yo, come on, give me my brush, man. Yeah, I feel my brush this up, man. Feel my brush this up.
So my one I go.
Look for you too. Yo, brother.
Yo, and I yearn.
Yo, give me my brush, man.
You're looking at the house.
Yo, let me come in here, big
You said don't looking at the house.
Yo,
Feel one
I
orange.
don't get my shirt, man.
Feel one orange.
Oh, not that loud.
You're not alone.
Yeah,
You're not
man.
alone.
So, listen, pa.
No,
Brother, no love money in the dog. Come on, man. Stop.
Nobody say what I go. Nobody say. When you done the lower picture already. Don't fight it. Don't move fight it.
loud, man.
Alright.
Grab the onion now.
Yeah.
You can turn up, no man.
No, what you want?
How are you want? Yo, give me. Yeah. How are you want? Yo, me killing the boy. Yo, how are you want? Yo, Philip, no run for me now, me walk in now.
Yeah, curious, you ever hear him when he loud?
Yeah, loud. That is just sweet, man. One take, man, that's too long, man.
Hold up, man.
Come back here, man. Come back.
Don't move. Come on, just a one, I picture one. Don't do low part good. No, come on.
No, we have come on.
But, boy, turn on this.
Turn up on place.
They will can't have one place.
Right now.
Yeah, we tell them. One brush it. I'm ready now.
And you brush this. Yo, give me my brush, man. Give me my brush, man. Let me see. Give me my brush, man.
And then you're
I'll give me my brush, boy. I mean, you're walking up, man. Come on. Yo. Boy.
Oi, oi. Why not?
No, we can't smile. We can't smile. We can't smile.
I am an extra load now. If you load on that, why?
Good, but you smile down.
He must smile.
Come again, do it good this time, man.
He must
Smile over the time.
I must smile on me.
Whenever you come on, just come do it over now.
No, I don't doubt just because he smile.
Yeah, him.
Hard for me to catch him and start it back.
Him.
I must smile.
Don't smile, daddy.
The serious man.
Serious bumper flash. If you don't do the laugh, you can't laugh. Whole blood clot here, them move down. You don't laugh now.
The serious the man.
Sucker, see me if you grab it.
A serious movie there. You can't come in and
Don't come in and laugh, daddy.
Alton, you can't show favoritism
No, you
and
can't.
shape
Two
up
of
one
them.
picnic and two of them.
Yo, this one I good one. You better say this one.
Yeah, but yeah, bad one. Grab it.
Boy!
This a wappy this now. This a man who remember what? This a man named Wappy.
Yo, and don't
Chill
for your
out,
father.
chill
yo.
out.
I'm going to go to the bed and you have to clap out that.
So by the time they go to bed to start beat, you know, the mother go come and to lick them.
Alright, they ready?
Go talk to them. Me talk to them. Go on and work all late for
Alright, sit down, man. Make it back for yourself.
Alright, sit
Just try don't laugh and just try to be loud.
You know him louder than him.
Alright.
You must say, yo, I kill you, I kill you. We murder you,
Yeah, Philip, you don't know me, no Philip.
Alright.
Calm down.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah,
Let's go.
Calm
Ready?
down. I'm my gosh.
Alright.
So you loud, you him calm.
Alright.
So back right hand up again.
Man, now in a real life, you know him and make sister see him.
If you bleach, you have to come over.
So ask him one. What did you take away? If you did this, I don't know. Give you a yard boy, okay though.
Nah, do that.
Alright, ready now, action.
Yo. Come on, I'm brushing my brother. No, I'm brushing my brother. Next year, yo, boy, I'm a brush. I'm tapping knife, my brother. I'm in here walking, my brother.
Yo, I want one answer. Listen to me.
Daddy, I am first.
Boy.
Daddy, I am first. You super.
Where didn't say
Nobody let them stop. 1 hour can about. We talk to them. Go
I
on.
am bad one in that side.
1 hour? Me talk to them. Go on.
How you put the guy to
No, in the problem. I just want to
Try, come. Get him up.
Come back in, man. Come back. Alright, more you talk.
When the time you say me, Islam, I'm going to
Come on so fast.
Let's go.
You want to
No, say should I hear the nice thing, should I come?
Oh, yes, no. Come here. You like what you talk to Alton? Come on, you're fear talk.
What? Yes, sir.
Ready now, Alton.
Listen to me, now go to hooligan enough.
Daddy.
Stop.
Daddy, remember say me
You think now that work? Come soon and go and
But I in first.
Me talk to them. 1 hour now.
Why?
Deal with this, here?
Yeah, man.
Deal with this.
Alright, come on.
Deal with this. Your father. Deal with this, here.
When they do that, we press back their uniform. Come on. Tell up again, tell up. Alright, jump him up, Alton. Come here.
Alright,
Ready now, action.
Boy, me not going to hooligan in here, what I do?
But daddy, I in first. Daddy.
Come now.
Listen to me.
We go deal with them. 1 hour.
Look at me from. Look at.
Deal with this.
Now deal with them.
I'll let you have. I'll decide to say.
What your name? Because I don't know your name. Before we say, yo, Stacy. Why name?
What's your name again? Where mother name?
Oh.
No, where mother name? Are you there right? Where mother name? You remember?
Say not a name then.
Oh, you don't know name. Come.
So let's circle what it's made for them.
Call him Jacob
Call
again.
him babes.
Babes.
Wife, he call him anything like
Wife, alright, we don't have
Walking, deal with this shit, walking.
We don't come fellas there, that's what we're
mention
saying.
her name because we don't know call next one. So
Don't call her no name. No man, everybody come, give it to her, that sign it, like that. Yo, babes, deal with this, you know. Me too. Don't play that. Alright, ready now.
Yo, I think you're going to hooligan in
I'm not ready
there.
with it,
Eh?
baby. Now, I'm ready with the guana with it.
Little boy, you're release one in a man. Knock your age, man.
Me say me deal with the guana.
Deal with this, man, because we can't deal with them sitting here, man. I'm gonna late for work, man. Yo. Sure.
Alright, wait. Alright, walk
Me and Chubby with them picnic.
So you jump in everything.
Serious, I'm next to you.
Alright.
Yeah,
You wait, because after him gone, the thing we can do, I put them down to sit down and you sit down
Talk to them.
and talk to them.
And then I walk up.
That's my brother. No, just set that done.
Yeah man, my brother.
So you come inside. So you give them breakfast in the morning.
Yeah man, so I apologize to one another. Alright, so, what should I see now? We should catch your walk with. So, Jake no. You the Jake no? Oh, Jake no. Jake don't get the blood card, never get my Jake up in a life yet. So we get Jake up, boy. Boy, I saw them get Jake up.
You know, boy, I'm not gonna age, man. Big man there.
That's a marketing. Now,
Jake no. Right now, and action.
Sit down. One more fight back. Run that song.
Well, I'm going to get you closer now. Hold on, fight, bro. You have to take next thing and tell him, say, Mommy, I'm my brush. Take your brush, yeah, take your brush.
You can't tell them, say, yeah. You can't say, what? You can't say, what? Blue brush. Green and
Blue.
blue brush. Just like that. And the ear brush up on his wrist.
What mean?
You can't say, one girl. And him. You can't say, what?
When you walk.
Hello?
I feel up with you,
You have to sister?
Yeah.
See brush? Can you see brush?
See brushing.
Alright.
Ready again? Ready now.
One more fight back.
I'm there, so I brush my shoes. Ready for go to school and him come. I talk about a film brush. Look on this. Now my brush the film one of the orange one.
So we are brushing.
And now for me orange one.
Let's switch the story.
Eh?
Film me the one.
Where's the outline?
Eh, no.
Ask
Me
me.
brush.
On top again. On top again. Ready again. Action.
One more fight back.
Mama, two there I just have brush my shoes and come and talk about a film brush.
So if you're brushing.
A film one that I did on a film. Film one of the orange one, my one of the blue one.
No. Give my brush and take it back. And then, you do what I feel,
Why
right?
you taking the brush? Why?
Which one I feel?
You want it?
Which one I feel, sure?
Orange one is what?
Waffle.
And the man went by, so you can't say to him, say, remember, say, I'm by the two brush then.
Alright, so you're right.
Orange one is yours.
And you go for it.
And you now put on your things there properly. See it on the fish shop there, and you take up your amplifier there that you have on the place. Take the step on and put it on the fish shop.
You want to say you should not fight to my brush because that's slippers are here?
No,
You don't want to highlight that?
no.
Okay.
Can I go to silver to said?
Alright, so you know what you're going to say, right? Alright, so after you give them the brush and everything, then you go for them breakfast. When you talk to them like a mother, you don't have to fight, you don't have to live loving, da 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 da.
What I made him want to establish, I tried to brush them. I know which one is for who. So, full up, yes, I hear a brush. Wappy, remember say your brush is hiding from. And you now put the things them good. I step on the brush, I'm going to put it on the fridge top. So, I'm going to get that it can be and your brush here. And they say, what if I try brush do? You know what I mean? Where is it that? I'm not fighting with my brother, I'm love it. And you guys have one. There's that one. Ready?
So give me orange brush.
Take it from your ass. Ready. Take it from your ass. Ready.
So if you're brushing. What color brush we buy you?
Yeah?
What color brush we buy you? What color brush you get?
Blue.
So if you one day, you know brother not fight over brush.
Team one of the
You
orange
can't
one.
plan for your borrow team and brush with one brush.
Too hard company to get.
You are. You're a smaller one, we want to give big brother too hard come come.
You have more sense right now.
Me the
don't
keep.
know how to argue with your mother.
Yes, the one, no,
We not, we know she not, we not.
the one that says,
Say,
what did I
be
say?
one orange one. And she not take care of things with the funny fish stuff.
Oh.
The
See,
step
we
on
get
the,
like it's here.
the step on the brush, because you don't want to go. You're not putting in the right place. Same way about the agave, and eyes of our tendency
What?
that they don't have the place. You want to come across like with normal.
Well, they said this way.
Let's go.
You hear
Listen, man, if the boy don't learn at school,
Oh, yeah,
they
you
don't
know,
stop.
I want to go tell you.
Listen, man.
Because you're not going to say no, just say yes.
Listen, man.
I'm not like to be tempted and not say that. Let's go.
Alright. You can start from. You can even mix one mistake you have to start from.
Yeah,
You can start from.
Just eat them fast.
The start from telling you you're not supposed to fight over rush. Because the blue brush is yours and the orange one is yours. But because you don't know, you don't bring the things in properly. Because I step on your one and put it on the fridge top. So that's simple that. That's nothing complicated. Just take it from say, you don't need to fight over a brush. Okay. I'm ready.
You don't need to fight over no brush.
So you have to talk to mommy.
You know you don't have nothing about you. Me dey walk in the house and me step on your brush and I put it on the fridge top.
You never know.
The orange brush is yours and the blue brush is yours. Put up your things in properly.
Oh, you never put it on pan and mommy.
Up on the ground.
Alright. Stop arguing, man.
No, I don't argue.
What I'm not at school.
Alright, so here what you do. Here what you do. Tell him to stop arguing. When me talk, just listen. You know a brother, you no need for a fight. Me go for no breakfast and come go now. So you can work and go to school. Alright, and still argue, go on, talk clearly.
So mommy, we never know say eat up on the ground.
Stop arguing with me. You know our brother not for the fight to over brush.
I ain't have to talk to.
And put up your things in properly.
Yes, ma'am.
You go for the breakfast when you come back.
Alright, we go for breakfast. Do you want breakfast?
Yeah,
I'm
not going to breakfast.
Boy, a real breakfast and I think of plastic rice.
They smart, no, they find out how good man use them.
6, but in here, 6. I see boss.
Fuck ugly.
If you ugly, you shut up.
Feel one on the salmon.
You rough it up? You rough them fast.
You ready now, Mom?
Yeah.
What? Come down, young boy. Alright, no one eyes, no one eyes. I'm ready.
I eat my breakfast and go to school. And nobody late. Where I look for? Coffee eat what? Yeah, I'm not clean.
Alright, come this way. So, these are Ready.
So where I look for? You do what? Your hand not clean.
You don't want to grease up me, mommy.
When you finish, you wash your hand. And don't ask for uniform.
It's about that kid. No, shit, I hate man. I can't lie on you, know.
You want coffee?
Não sei se boa se
When you finish, you wash your hand them and make your hand clean.
Check the edit da edit.
What you want?
Walk.
Hmm?
Walk. I'm ready. Alright, good. Seems like we don't want to fight over the guy again. Alright, we're going to hurry up the camera with film with she. Hurry up. Let's hurry up, man.
I'm hungry here. I'm going to plant them, man.